The Derby song, or Ghelbee song, I've had that many people telling me different ways of doing it. I hedge my bets and say all three. It was noted down by Sophia Morrison again and appeared in her journal Mannin in 1913. And this song, Arrane Ghelbee, has a very different sort of melody to those you've heard earlier, and it's not associated with lots of trooping fairies or weird people like that. However, it is mysterious. It might best fit the idea of the beautiful music encountered if you wander into the fairy world. And unlike the other tunes you've heard, it's not a jig or a reel or an obvious candidate for a song. Perhaps a little more like the first reference to fairy music I mentioned in relation to the mermaid at the beginning, possibly. Very much associated with the sea anyway. Though I have to say, I have heard an old carvel tune, which sounds a little bit like it. Now, although this is described as an arrane, a song, I haven't seen any ancient Manx words to go with it. There are some words from about 100 years ago, but not traditional ones in any way. Just before we hear it from Phil, this is how this story and song are described in Mannin in 1913. In the long ago, a curiously shaped boat would be seen at the close of a summer evening, coming from Bradda towards Ghelbee. In the boat sat an old man with long white hair, who rowed until off Niabble Point. Then he rested on his oars and sang this melody, which runs up and down the minor scale with the lilt of the waves. And as the thing became known, the people would come and stay on the shore to listen to the music, for it was very sweet to them. But his boat was far off, and no words could be distinguished. When the old man had made an end of the song, he rowed southwestward till he was seen no more, and no one knew whence he came, nor whither he went, nor who he was. But the people of Ghelbee knew his song and taught it to their children's children. So this is Arrane Ghelbee.